Assalamualaikum. Today I will presenting the use of 5G technology and its impact on operation at seaport. The researcher is me, myself Abdul Wafi bin Ahmad Sabri, matric number S50321, and my supervisor is Dr. Mahdi binti Muhammad Noor from Fakulti Maritime Studies, Universiti Malaysia Terengganu. This is my contents. The scope of study. This research only focus on matters that relate to impact of use 5G technology on operation at seaport. While for the research objective is to identify the type of advanced technology at seaport must be supported by 5G technology for operate. Second is to identify the challenge faced by seaport for implementing 5G technology in terms of operation. And the last is to analyze the impact of using 5G technology in operation at the seaport. The literature review for the research is the first is the equipment and technology at port can connected by 5G technology. For example, Port of Antwerp, 600 cameras have been installed for monitoring around the area of port traffic flow and people. Port of Shanghai use feed or smart device for handling the container and raising the number of containers. Second is challenge associated with implementing 5G technology in industry. The ability to rising in bandwidth, latency requirement, and large data generated from the equipment and technology more connect data required on operation at port is major challenge for the industry. Third is impact of 5G technology and key insight for the future. First, introduction of 5G technology will be driven by the industry and enterprise for make the growth economy of a country. 5G technology will influence for every element of how the industry and enterprise are operating of their working. It also will save more energy and make easy to the worker for handling their operation in the industry. The last is impact is 5G brings digitalizing on port operation, which help by 5G technology, the device, machine, and human will be able to share information instantly and seamlessly. This will transform on operation at port to digital. 5G allows support automate remote control for animate ground vehicle for operate activity of loading and unloading at port. I will continue to talk about methodology. For the research design, a guide to ensure that the objective of study are achieved and answer the research question. Researchers also use Qualitative method require time to prepare question, conduct pilot studies, and plan time to interview respondent. Researchers use study design that has been planned using the respondent interview method and analyze the data to achieve the objective. Alright, for sampling and study respondent, researchers use interview technique to obtain research result. According with Hairuddin Muhammad Ali state that the selection of respondent must meet the needs and objective of the study. Respondents involved are comprised of selected officers of Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd. Right. For the result and discussion, there are 4 types of advanced technology at seaport must be supported by 5G technology for operation. Malaysian seaport only use video surveillance and artificial intelligence at Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd. Other sample of technology is mostly famous used by China seaport. Alright, the first is video surveillance and artificial intelligence AI. This technology already used by Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd. This technology must support by 5G technology for active and it also controlled by operators at the security control room at Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd. The 5G capabilities with low latency and high speed and will produce multiple 360 UHD 4K panoramic live video. Artificial intelligence technology also be function like human, which is involved emotional follow as setting by software on the computer. For example, this technology can detect people, transport, or something move without dismiss and show the object is very clear. It also can detect the high temperature pressure around the Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd. This technology also can operate with 24 hours without stop. Second advanced technology must support by 5G operate is remote control of gantry crane. This technology is not already introduced at Malaysian seaport but famous used by China seaport. 5G technology provide high bandwidth and low latency for support to handle and control gantry crane with wireless remote control for operation at container terminal. It also have control room center at port for handle this technology for operate and distance between gantry crane and center control room with then 1 kilometer around of port. There are 2 types of gantry crane such as rubber tire gantry crane (RTG) crane and rail mounted gantry crane (RMG). This technology used for carry and move the goods or container bulk around area the port. It can operate with 24 hours with require for a few workers. Like one operator can control 3 to 6 gantry crane at one time. Next is remote control of quayside container crane. This technology is not already introduced at Malaysian seaport, but it also famous used by China seaport. It has wireless network to make coverage in the area of operation. Quayside container crane must have communication with the control center room of the port to handle and monitoring the quayside container crane. This technology is not require operators at crane because the operators control and handle at the control room center. It has installed at large dockside for loading and unloading shipboard. Crane have a height around 60 to 70 meters. It can operate 24-hour operation of loading and unloading the cargoes and container bulk. Last is automated guide vehicle or AGV. This technology also not already introduced at Malaysian seaport, but famous used by China seaport. It used transport and carry forest trade container around the port. Characteristic AGV is fully equipped with surveillance video cameras to determine, locate, and coordinate with remote control. On the floor, AGV has installed wires that can connect with a sensor placed underneath. With support by 5G, technology will make the highest radio frequency transmit between sensor and wires as well as make the motion of AGV. Alright, I will continue explain 6 challenges faced by seaport for implementing 5G technology in terms of operation. The first is cost of 5G technology. Cost to build, install, and implement 5G technology at seaport is very high. 5G technology must have transmitter tower, and the cost is very high to build. Second is culture and evolution of a country. 5G technology is the new evolution in network. The culture and evolution of a country must take more time to prepare and achieve the level of 5G. Mostly, this is challenge for the seaport of the undeveloped country because their culture and evolution still in traditional activities. The maturity of 5G technology for implement must require consideration in a specific and for avoid fragmentation in technology. For instance, not only focus on specifics such as network function virtualization, this can delay the maturity of NFV implementation and limit the provision various services like URLCC in the 5G domain. Fourth is security challenge. Mostly seaports think about the cyber security challenge. Network function virtualization NFV or software-defined networking SDN are used by 5G technology for infrastructure to prepare service and use case. Service security granted cannot be provided and protect unless having a safe network infrastructure. Before this follow in traditional network have elements isolate from each other. However, the function of virtualization and their infrastructure resources are shared according to with 5G technology. Fifth is lack of skilled manpower in 5G technology. 5G technology requires high skill and innovative employees in tackling and control this new technology shift. According to World Economic Forum, a survey has been conducted and found that as many as 37% of the working class in Europe do not have basic digital skill, and this will pose a hard problem. If the seaport is not highly skilled and innovative employees will become challenge for the seaport use 5G. The last is organizational coordination difficulties. The rapid development of new industrial technology will indirectly affect several parts of management in an organization or company, including human resource management, production system, and the supply chain. With fully automated operation at seaport will indirectly affect subordinate employees who are worried about losing their job. Alright, I will continue about the impact of using 5G technology in operation at the seaport has divided two, such as positive and negative. For positive impact, the first is enhancing security of port. For example, Langkawi Port has proven the 5G technology can improve security in their port environment. Video surveillance and artificial intelligence have a heat sensor. This sensor can detect the area has high thermal pressure and container to give early warning. This technology can avoid from criminal and smuggling activities. Second is saving cost, energy, and time. 5G technology no need many operators to handle and control advanced technology support by 5G technology, so it can save the cost. It can work in 24 hours daily in operation at the seaport. It also more saving compared to traditional port because digital port mostly all operation make it automated. Third impact is increasing performance of operation at seaport. After using 5G technology in daily operation, for example, Langkawi Port has success to increase their performance. Another example, based on the report of container China port is more increasing on 2019 after use 5G technology. Though China seaport is one the busy port in the world, but the performance of China seaport is constantly improving with the help of 5G technology that speed up the process of loading and unloading the cargoes. Fourth is 5G technology will improve traffic flow. Congestion at the port can be reduced because 5G technology help the operation like speed up service process of load and unload. This is because 5G technology can operate with 24 hours without a stop to control and manage the process of loading and unloading the cargo. Last positive impact is enhancing cooperation between port and stakeholders. 5G technology has required many parties including expert parties in technology to guide, provide tutoring, and change ideas in implement 5G technology at seaport. For example, Langkawi Port Sdn Bhd has more cooperation with Celcom network company for implement 5G technology in their operation. Langkawi Port also has cooperation with Royal Malaysian Police in security control, especially of smuggling and thief activities. While for negative impact use 5G technology, 5G technology require a high cost for care and maintenance. 5G technology require control by operators that have high skill in technology. 5G technology also will be able repaired by the certain people have experience and expert in this field. The cost of maintenance and equipment of 5G technology is very high and very expensive. Alright, the next impact is 5G technology cannot operate without electric power. 5G technology must use electric power to make operation at the seaport. If occur electric problem or break up the electric supply, automatically 5G technology will stop to make operation because no have power to active. For the conclusion, 5G technology also will give many benefits to the seaport because the 5G technology also able to support many things including machine, object and device such as machine, truck, cameras and others for help their handling the operation at seaport. This is my reference. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.